everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you a couple of the tools that I'll be using. A pair of scissors, a magnifying glass, a magnet to test for sterling silver, a mandrel to check ring sizes, and a tape measure to measure the length of bracelets and necklaces. Now, for those of you who don't know, ThredUP is an online consignment store where you can buy and sell women's clothing and accessories. Okay guys, here we go. Really excited about this unboxing today, you guys. So for those of you who are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, so first we have a pair of earrings. This is a gold choker from Banana Republic. Next, we have a very pretty necklace from J. Crew. And we have a beautiful heart necklace from Betsey Johnson. Now remember, if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can leave a message in the comments down below or send me a message on Instagram. Okay, so what do we have next? A pair of gold tone hoops. Very nice. Let's move those to the side. And we have a pair of earrings here, very nice. And they're pretty heavy too. And we have another pair of earrings with what looks like onyx. And that's the back. And another pair of earrings with what looks like faux pearls. And we have a heavy necklace here. Very nice. And we have a bracelet with some dark blue stones. Not sure what those are. And we have a silver tone necklace here. Looks very nice. And we have a very pretty bracelet here from White House Black Market. Very nice. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite piece was from today's video. Okay, we have a silver bracelet here. We have 2 rings. And finally, we have a pair of earrings from Anne Klein. I really like this haul, you guys. Thank you to ThredUP. Okay, so now we're going to take another look at some of the items that were marked 925, and we're going to test them using a magnet. And it is not sticking to the magnet, which is a good sign. Remember, if something does not stick to the magnet, then that means that it could be sterling silver. This ring is not sticking to the magnet, which is good. And this necklace was also marked 925, but I was unsure about it because it's a very lightweight piece. So we're going to test this with the magnet as well. And it's sticking to the magnet, which is not good. But that's okay. Okay everyone, see you in the next video. Bye!